Hello again. Today I'm going to open this little ISO or ISO, I don't know how you pronounce it, Euro cylinder lock for Cherokee's LOTO lock giveaway. The rules are you can pick a lock, any lock, as long as you subscribe to her channel. There was some crazy rules to start with. It's certainly worth going to have a look at her channel and have a look at the video she did about the giveaway. So yeah, I'll put links to that on the bottom. So let's see if we can get it open. It's only 5-pinner, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem, but when we say that, we always put the curse on it, don't we? Quite heavy tension on this one. You can almost bully it open. Saying that, I probably won't get it open there. I always say that, don't I? It's true though, when you put the camera on, it's weird. Different things happen. Anybody what does a YouTube video, you'll know what I mean. You either struggle to get it open, and then you put the camera on, and it actually opens straight away. Or the opposite, you can pick a lock open pretty easy, and then as soon as you put the camera on, you struggle to get it open. So this is normally relatively easy, to be honest. But yeah, it's not playing ball today, is it? And it's only 5 pins. Is it that front one again? Oh, it seems set. We are went into a full set then, so we can get this out, and we have, yeah, there you go. So that's open for Cherokee's giveaway, and like I say, I'll put some links on the bottom. Quite a big long thing there, isn't it? So yeah, as always, thanks for watching. If you do like what you see, please like, subscribe and make a comment, and I'll see you again soon. Ta-ra a bit.